What's the meaning of cosiness? Cosiness. Cosiness.
Cosiness. Cosiness. Cosiness refers to a feeling of warmth, comfort, and contentment that one experiences in a particular space or situation. It is often associated with being snug and secure indoors, surrounded by soft furnishings, dim lighting, and pleasant smells. Cosiness can also involve engaging in relaxing activities such as reading or watching a movie while enjoying a hot drink. Ultimately, a cozy atmosphere evokes feelings of relaxation and safety, making people feel at home and happy. It is a feeling that people often seek out and enjoy in their daily lives.